Hello everyone, welcome to Nirja Education. I hope you all are doing good at home. So today we will continue our next video. We will learn about face value and place value first. So what is face value? Face value in a numeral is digit itself no matter at which place it is. Thus, in number 4231, face value of 4 is 4, face value of 2 is 2, face value of 3 is 3, face value of 1 is 1. We will not consider that the 4 is in thousands place, 2 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place and 1 is in ones place. We will not consider in face value. Face value of digit in numeral is the digit itself. We will take another example, 5621. In this number, face value of 6 is 6, face value of 2 is 2, face value of 5 is 5, face value of 1 is 1. फेस वैल्यू किसी भी नंबर में किसी भी डिजिट की फेस वैल्यू वो डिजिट खुद ही होता है, न जाने वो कोई भी प्लेस पे हो, वो 1000 के प्लेस पे हो, 500 के प्लेस पे हो, टेंस के प्लेस पे हो या 1 के प्लेस पे हो, वो डिजिट खुद ही उसकी वैल्यू होता है. वी विल टेक अनदर एग्जांपल, 7213. Place value of face value of 2 in this numeral is 2, face value of 7 is 7, face value of 1 is 1 and 3 is 3. So you learned that face value is nothing but the digit itself. So place value of a digit in a numeral depends upon its place in numeral. It depends upon its position in numeral. Whether it is on thousands position, it is on hundreds position, it is on tens position or it is on ones position. So it will depend on its position. So let's take an example, 1234. So let's write this number in place value chart. So I have written here thousands, hundreds, tens and ones place. So we will write that number here. 1234. So let's see place value of 1. So we can see that 1 is in thousands place. So 1's value is 1000. Let's see place value of 2. We can see that 2 is in hundreds place. So 2's value is 200. Now let's see 3's value. So we can see that 3 is in tens position. So value of 3 is 30. Now value of 4. So 4 is in ones position. So value of 4 is 4. Let's take another example. 2415. In this number, place value of 4 is 400 because 4 is in hundreds position. In this number, place value of 2 is 2000 because it is in thousands position. Place value of 1 is 10 because it is in tens position. And place value of 5 is 5 because it is in ones position. So you learned that face value is digit itself and place value is depends upon position of digit in number. Now we will learn about writing numbers in expanded form. Expanded form is writing numbers as the sum of place values of its digits. So let's take an example, 2354. So let's write this number in expanded form. So 2 is in thousands position. Let me write place value chart here first. 1, tens, hundreds and thousand. So we can see that 2 is in thousands place, so we will write value of 2, so that is 2000. So 3 is in hundreds place, so we will write value of 3, that is 300. Now we will write value of 5 and it is in tens place, so that is 50. And then last number is 4, which is in ones place, so we will write its value and which is 4. So expanded form is nothing but sum of place value of its digit. Let's take another example. 3257. So let's write this number in expanded form. So 3000 plus 200s plus 5 tens plus 7 ones. So we will write like this number like this: 3000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 7. I did nothing but I wrote place value of all the digit from this number. हमें सिर्फ नंबर्स के डिजिट्स की प्लेस वैल्यू का समेशन लिखना है. So that is expanded form. Now let's learn about predecessor and successor. What is successor? So successor is nothing but a number that come just after a particular number. For example, successor of 4 is number 5 because it comes just after number 4. To find out successor, we have to add one number in given number. For example, number 15. To find out successor of number 15, we have to add one number. So we will get 16. 15 plus 1 is 16. To find out successor of 101, we have to add 1 in this number. So we will get 102. So 102 is successor of 101. 253. To find out successor of 253, we have to add one number in this number. So we will get 254. So successor of 254 is, successor of 253 is 254. So successor कुछ भी नहीं है, आपको दिए गए नंबर में एक नंबर ऐड करना है तो उससे आपको उस नंबर का सक्सेसर मिल जाएगा. Now let's learn what is predecessor. So predecessor is a number that come just before a particular number, that is predecessor. For example, number 5. So which number will come just before number 5? That number is number 4. Okay? To find out predecessor, we will minus one number from given number. For example, to find out predecessor of number 22, we will minus one number from this number. So 22 minus 1 is 21. Let's find out predecessor of 147. So predecessor of 147 is minus 1 this number. So 147 minus 1 is 146. Let's find out predecessor of 2379. So again we have to minus one number from this number. So 2379 minus 1 is 2378. So predecessor is आपको दिए गए नंबर में से एक नंबर बात करना है, एक नंबर निकालना है, माइनस करना है, तो उससे आपको आपके नंबर का प्रेडिसेसर मिल जाएगा. नाउ लेट्स लर्न अबाउट कंपेयरिंग नंबर. By comparing number, we will find out which number is greater number and which number is smaller number. So there are two rules of comparing number and both are simple. You don't have to worry. So rule number 1 is first you have to count digits of given number. For example, 425 and 7212. So from both this number, which number is greater number? So you have to first count digits of both the number. So this number has 1, 2, 3 digits. You can see that 425 has 3 digits, but 7212 number has 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which number has greater digit, which number has, whatever number has more digit, that number will be our greater number. So 225 is less than 7212. हमें बड़ा नंबर ढूंढने के लिए दिए गए नंबर के डिजिट्स काउंट करना है. तो जिस डिजिट के नंबर ज़्यादा होंगे वो ग्रेटर नंबर होगा और जिस नंबर के डिजिट्स कम होंगे वो स्मॉलर नंबर होगा. लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल 27 एंड 123. सो हमें दिख रहा है कि 27 में सिर्फ 2 डिजिट है और 123 में 3 डिजिट है. सो 123 is greater than number 27. Now rule number 2. If both of the given numbers has same number of digit, then we have to compare digit from the leftmost digit. If the leftmost digit are also same, then we will consider next digit from left. So let's take an example. Let's find out 2312 and 4272. So from both of this number, which number is greater and which number is smaller? So we will compare thousands place number, leftmost number. We will start from left side comparing digit. So you can see that on the leftmost side, that in thousands place, this digit is 2 and here leftmost side सबसे left में जो digit है वो 4 है और यहाँ पे 2 है and 4 is greater than 2. 2 is less than 4. So obviously ये नंबर बड़ा है. ओके क्योंकि 4 2 से बड़ा है. Now see these two numbers. We are counting from leftmost side. So हम left side से start करेंगे. So we can see that both left numbers are same. Both numbers are equal. 4 4. So we will consider next number, that is 2, and here also next number is 2. Again 2 2, both number are same. So what will we do now? We will see another next number. So here in tens place number is 1 and here number is 3. So you can see number 1 is less than number 3. So our greater number is this. So 4217 is less than 4238. अगर आपको दो नंबर्स दिए गए हैं और दोनों नंबर में सबसे लेफ्ट वाला डिजिट सेम है तो हम उसके बाद वाला डिजिट देखेंगे. अगर वो भी सेम है तो हम उसके बाद वाला नंबर डिजिट देखेंगे. सो वी विल कंपेयर लाइक दिस एंड वी विल फाइंड आउट विच नंबर इज ग्रेटर नंबर. इफ यू प्रैक्टिस मोर एग्जाम्पल सो यू विल लर्न इट क्विकली. Now let's learn about what is ascending order and what is descending order. So ascending order is arranging numbers from smallest to greatest. ascending order में हम छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर में नंबर्स को अरेंज करेंगे तो वो है ascending order. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर यू कैन सी 3 2 1 7. सो हम छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर में इस नंबर को अरेंज करेंगे. सो विच नंबर इज स्मॉलेस्ट? यू कैन सी फ्रॉम अमॉन्ग दिस नंबर वन इज स्मॉलेस्ट. ओके, देन विच नंबर विल कम? नंबर 2 विल कम. सो वी विल राइट नंबर 2. 2 के बाद कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? तो वी कैन सी दैट फ्रॉम नंबर 3 एंड नंबर 7 नंबर 3 इज स्मॉलर. सो वी विल राइट डाउन इट फर्स्ट एंड नंबर 7 सबसे लास्ट में आएगा. तो आपने देखा कि हमने 3 2 1 7 को सबसे छोटे से सबसे बड़े नंबर में अरेंज किया है. You can see that we wrote down this number in smallest to biggest form. So this is ascending order. In ascending order, we arrange number from smallest to greatest. Let's take another example. You can see that I have written 4 number here, that is 112, 107, 113 and 110. To arrange this number in ascending form, we will find out which number is smallest. So you can see that 107 is smallest number. So we will write it first. Then we will write greater than this number, that is 110. फिर हम इससे बड़ा वाला नंबर लिखेंगे तो वो है 112, 112. And the last number, the greatest number will come in the last, that is 130. Okay, this was ascending order. Now what is descending order? Descending order is nothing but arranging number from greatest to smallest. सबसे बड़े से सबसे छोटे में नंबर को अरेंज करना उसे कहते हैं डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल 1 7 3 4. सो हम इस नंबर्स को सबसे बड़े से सबसे छोटे में लिखेंगे. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट विच नंबर इज ग्रेटेस्ट. सो वी कैन सी दैट अमॉन्ग ऑल दिस नंबर 7 इज ग्रेटेस्ट. सो वी विल राइट नंबर 7 first. Then which number will come? So 7 के बाद छोटा वाला नंबर है 4. So number 4 will come. Which number will come after this? So number 3. And in the last, smallest number will come. And what is that? That is number 1. So this is descending order. Let's take another example. Let's find out which number is greatest among these all number. So we can see that 221, 225, 227 and 237. From all these number, biggest number is 237. So we will write this number first. Then we will write smaller number smaller than this number, and that is 231. After that, which number will come? From both this number 225 and 227, this number 227 is smaller, and in the last the smallest number will come. So you can remember descending order like decreasing order. Decreasing means greatest से smallest तक आना, number decrease हो रहे. So this is descending order. And the ascending order is increasing order. Ascending order में हम smallest से greatest में जा रहे. So that's it for today guys. We will learn more in next video. So keep learning, stay safe, stay home, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.